because I'm the only kid home left and sis and bro are further away, I'm going to do a Skype breakfast for mommy. Good morning, everyone. It's Mother's Day. Woohoo! Sunday morning. So happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there who watch my vlog. I love you so much and I hope that you all have a fantastic day. And we're going to try out the quiche that I made yesterday for her. Check out my Instagram or my app for the video and the nutrition facts. So, you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. My two squeezy babies. It's Mother's Day, boys. It's Mother's Day. You my cutie little tutus. Hi, Booga Booga. My squishy baby. How you feeling, Booba Booba? What happened to you? Look at that sad face. It's Mother's Day, baby. These are cute and lovable. Always, always, always gonna brighten your mood. It's yummy breakfast time. Oh, Mom, happy Mother's Day already, but she had breakfast without me. So I'm just gonna get her to taste my quiche in front of me. I want to make sure that she likes it. So if you also have ideas, breakfast is definitely something you can do for your mom on special days. Mopping and sweeping and helping mom in the kitchen. Okay, this is some advice I think we all need to hear right now. Do not make decisions when you're angry. Do not make promises when you're happy. And do not go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Happy Mother's Day! Thank you! How does it taste? Tastes good. Yeah, delish. I'm home! Today was such an eventful day because it's Mother's Day and I hung out with sis and baby boy. He's getting so cute and fun and big. I was so glad to see everyone and had a little anxiety at first because we visited some family and I saw my grandma, I saw sis, and it was really significant because this is Mom's 30th year of being a mother. It's Grandma's birthday as well and 60 years of being a mother, and it's my sister's first year of being a mother. That's what Dad was saying in the car, and I was like, oh my gosh. I also got to sell some of my cookbooks. Woohoo! If you guys are interested, message me on any social media link. I really hope that you guys had a safe and enjoyable Mother's Day. I'm kind of super exhausted right now. It was really strange being around people again. Does that sound weird? Yep. Anyway, it's snack time! And after your Sparky's medicine and play with him because I missed us all day. We were out. Oh, playtime with these cuties. Come on! You want this book? I already have it. Wait for it. Go! Always have to make time to play with the cuties. Good boy. Cute little baby plums. So I hope you guys had a fantastic day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.